Allahu Akbar. Now in the ruku' position, I have to do the following. Number one, my palms of the hands are spread and grabbing my knees like this. So the fingers are spread. My back is straight. So it's not like this, and it's not stretching out downwards. The sunnah is to keep your back straight, as if someone puts water on it, it will remain. It will not spill. I don't know how bad I'm doing this or how I'm doing this. I don't see myself, but I try my level best. Do it according to the sunnah. A head, as described in the hadith, should not be pointed up like this, and it should not be tilted down like this. So it should be normal way of doing it. So this is the ruku'.